Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Sorry, I know I haven't done a video in ages. I'm so sorry. I've kind of been putting up with my little puppy for the last few days and he pretty much just will not leave my side. Except at the moment because I've put his new little harness on, so he wants nothing to do with me. Anyway, today I have a Royal Essence reveal for you. And this is their candy apple candle. Oh, here he is. Now he's coming, he's at my feet again. Anyway, this one's been burning for ages. As you can see, like, it's so ready to come out, but I just kept getting distracted. And it's even full of bugs because we've had to leave the door open for the dogs and all the bugs came in. So if you can hear anything else as well, the house is full of blowflies, which is awesome. For anyone that lives in Australia, you all know what I'm talking about. But this one is part of their Christmas collection, which I was, I must admit, a little bit disappointed with. I love the smell of this candle though. That's the main reason I got this one, was because I love candy apple. I think it smells amazing. So that's why I bought this one. So that's pretty good. And it does. It smells so good. And even to get down to this point, it has taken a long time. So the wax does definitely last. So if you can hear panting, the dogs are just always at me now. So anyway, very excited for this one. I didn't get any of their other Christmas scents though, because you know me, I like jars and things, and these ones were just a little bit, I don't know, a little bit boring. I'm super excited to see what we get in this one. Now, you all know I've got so many charmed aroma videos coming up. I really need a bath soon. Look out for a few bath bomb videos, because I'm dying to just chill out in there and get annoyed by a puppy, I guess. Alright. Let's see what we get. See, it would have been good if they had like a little collection and stuff. Ooh, this looks really nice though. Oh, so that's actually nice and simple, but also really pretty. Yeah. Oh, look, it's like a little W. If your name started with a W, that's kind of cute. They got little diamond-like stones in there. Alright, I'll pop in the code and then give you a close-up. Alright, so I went on Royal Essence's website, and this one appraised at $150. So very cute, very nice little red stone there. It's not a real deep red, it looks like it's quite nice. And then yeah, on each side there's a little W that's really cute. And that's a lot like little diamond-like stones in it as well. So yeah, I thought that was really cool. Really good if my name actually started with W, but so yeah, very pretty ring. I quite like that. I think it's a little bit unique, but also very simple. So yeah, if you like videos like this, heaps my channel, heaps more coming, and I promise I'm going to be uploading a bit more for the next few weeks. Alright, thanks for watching guys. See ya.